So in this video, we're going to look what we have to do when we have to multiply either a whole number by a decimal or two decimals together. So we've got 7 times 0.4. Now we could look at this problem as saying it's 7 times 4/10, which means I could do 7 times 4 divided by 10, do the 7 times 4 first. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 divided by 10 means that I would move the decimal point one place that way and get an answer of 2.8. That's fairly straightforward. Alternatively, you could just do 4 times 0.4. Just forget about the decimal point to begin with. Do 4 times 7, which is 28. And then apply the same rule that we've looked at in the other video. There's one figure after the decimal point in the question. Therefore, one figure in the answer. So there's just one number here. And therefore, we would need to put a decimal point there. And again, we get the answer saying 7.0.4 is 2.8. One thing to notice as well is when you're actually multiplying by 0 point something as a decimal, you are going to get an answer less than what you're actually multiplying by. It's 0.4 of 7. There's another way of thinking about it. Okay, the next one, which is 38.2 times 0.005. I can think as 38.2. Now 0.05 is 5 hundredths. So I could do 5 times 38.2 divided by 100. So 5 2s are 10. So 0 will carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40 plus the 1, which is 41. So it'll be 1 carry the 4. And 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 4 makes 19. And I now have to put a decimal point in because there is one number after the decimal point. And then divide by 100, and then divide that by 100. That means that decimal point is going to move 1, 2 that way. Remember, when you're dividing by a number, it's going to make it smaller. So it's going to become 1.91 as the final answer. Alternatively, you could try 38.2 times 0.05 and ignore the decimal points and these zeros to begin with. And do 2 times 5, which is 0, carry the 1. 5 times 8, which is 40 plus the 1, which is 41, so it's 1, carry the 4. 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 4, which makes 19. And now, there are 3 numbers in the question. This is sort of unusual. We've got 1, 2, 3 numbers in the question. Therefore, I need to go 3 numbers in the answer. So it's 1, 2, 3. So my decimal point is to go here. All right, and therefore we can say that 38.2 times 0.05 is 1.91. So whichever method you're going to use, you should get the same answer. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to multiply two decimals together. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.